say goodbye to those. This one I've had for a while. That's also going to be gone. That some of you have sent her through our P.O. box. Okay, last drawer. 30. Hi, I'm Dee and welcome to my channel. Welcome to another episode of Tiny Tiny Tuesday. This is an open collab from my dear friend, the hostess with the mostest, Sunday Dawn from The Helpful Home. So make sure you go check out her channel and this week's playlist in the description below of this video so that you can get some more tiny tidy motivation. So the decluttering of drawers, 30 drawers in 30 days, continues on. I am joining my dear friend over at my Everyday Wife Life, Michelle, on her Decluttering Your Drawers, 30 Drawers in 30 Days. This is the last of it, and I'm pretty excited. But it is a hot one. We're going through a bit of another heat wave here on the west coast of Cali. Also want to say my prayers and thoughts are with the East Coast right now. We have been just flooded with emotions and just, I don't know, it's been kind of scary for us. Jay's parents also live in Florida on the Gulf side. They live in the Barrier Islands, and as if you are aware, they were hit storm surge of 6 feet, and yeah, so we've been kind of just occupied with that right now, but they're okay. Unfortunately, they do have severe house damages, but you know, as they say, Florida strong. So right now though, they're safe and sound. Thoughts and prayers to everybody though who has been affected by this hurricane. Just want to say that right now and give everybody out a shout out. But let's continue on decluttering my drawers. We are in another guest room of ours, and I believe I have these 3 drawers to go through. A lot of times I put seasoned clothes in here, so I don't know. These are some capri pants. So let's go through this, and then let me take everything out. Look, I found this tank top. I got this last year at one of our art and wine festivals. Live every moment, laugh every day, and live beyond words. It's not cute, but I forgot. Because it's seasonal, I placed those in there, and I forgot. Same thing with these shirts here. Didn't know I had placed them there. And I have capri pants. I should have had that in there. And now it's fall, so I don't know. This sweater, I love this sweater. I need to take this out for fall. I gotta figure this out. I see the string here, but I need to, yeah, okay. Anyways, that I'm going to keep. These are the ones I decided I'm gonna go ahead and donate this time. I've had these for, I don't know, over 6 years or so. Look, this shirt is so cute. I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and place this on my McCurry. So I gotta make sure I take a picture of this. This is pretty much brand new. I've only worn it once. It's an XL, but it's rather see-through, and I don't know. I don't feel comfortable in that. But if you do, that's cool. You do you, boo. It's a pretty color. It's a pretty, it might look a little bit different on screen, but it's like a dark rust orange. These are capri pants, gently worn, size 16. These are 9 West, but I believe that these fit more like petite size, and those are just, they're just too tight and comfortable for me. These are Gloria Vanderbilt's, I think. These are brand spanking pretty much new. Nice, nothing wrong with these ones. And they're the Giselle. These are size 14. I was hoping one day I would fit in them, but I think I'm going to go ahead and get rid of those because I've had those now for a couple of years. Isn't that a gorgeous shirt? This one is too snugged. And then I believe, what is it? It says it's a triple. Yeah, no. That probably fits more like a large. Kid you not. But that's pretty, but I just don't wear it. So I'm going to go ahead and say goodbye to those. Okay, next drawer. Or like my sweaters and other stuff. So let me go through this and see what I can find. Okay, this one, my other decluttering, I said last year I'll keep it, and if I don't wear it for this summer, then I'm going to go ahead and then part ways with it. And you know, summer came and left and I never grabbed it. So that one is also going to go. And even this one, I bought this actually for a funeral service for Celebration of Life. It's a Lucky Brand shirt. So, you know, it's a very nice shirt. I only worn it once. Just once. Isn't that pretty with a nice embroidery? But yeah. And I've kept it now for what? This is going on the second season. So yeah. So that one I'm going to go ahead and toss. Okay, this drawer is not mine, so I don't have to worry about that. So 2 drawers. Just to show a difference, I used to have that drawer, that drawer, that drawer, and that drawer just full of clothes. I am now only using these 2 drawers right there, 1 and 2. So I'm making progress. Good morning. Look at that sunrise. I always say good morning to my mom in heaven, Queen G. Bin Shema. Alright, got my coffee going in the background. Here we go. This is drawer. Let's see, that one was 22, 23. Alright, 24. We have a marble. 3 pennies. This one. It's still good. That's for that light there. 25. Cream and more cream. I don't need those. An empty drawer. Yay! Oh, this was given to my mom, and then I don't think it broke, but it looks like that. Pretty. So I'm gonna put that with my mom's things. So that's gonna be relocated. Oh, here are some of her cards. Although I have a a storage box with all the cards that some of you have sent her through our P.O. box, and I'm going to place those with all of the rest. And got that, and her calendar. All right, 2020. 20. There's nothing in that one. And 20, focus. Those are her, some of these are her older glasses, and then I have some more of her cards in here. So I'm going to put those all along in that plastic storage. Here's one of her older glasses, so I'll have to relocate that, and then that's it. Well, good morning. Just came back from my morning walk. I had to drop off the Racy Red. So far, how are you doing with your drawers? Let me know in the comments down below. Also, don't forget the Tiny Tidy Tuesday playlist for this week is going to also be listed down in the description below. So make sure you click on that so that you can get a lot more motivation for you. And I'm here in our downstairs bathroom. So let's go through these drawers. All right, here are these. I haven't done this since the last time. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, let me go through this. A lot of this stuff I had since I was caregiving for my mom, and I always did her manicure. She loved having her nails done, so I kept a lot of things in here, but I think now I could probably take some of this stuff out like this. I mean, I like to use this for myself, don't get me wrong, so I'm not going to get rid of this because I like to use it. I just need to figure out what can stay and what can go. Oh, this is from Dollar Tree. The Dermacell Cocoa Butter Moisturizing Body Lotion. All-time favorite. All-time favorite. I really like this one at the Dollar Tree. It's just so moisturizing. It doesn't leave like skin greasy or anything, but it gives it a nice little sheen. I love it. This one I've had for years. I'm going to go ahead and toss that. That can, yeah. Same thing with the CeraVe. I barely even use that. Now that I like this one, I think I'm going to go ahead and throw that one away as well. This one I've had for a while. That's also going to be gone. This is, I do like this one too. So I have a little bit of that one. I'm going to go ahead and take that. I'm going to go through this. I think these are all the nail polish. This one is Queen G's, and these two I always kept down here for her. I'm gonna put that on the side. These ones, I just bought this one so I can do my own pedicure. But I think these other ones, these ones I can definitely put upstairs with all the rest of my nail polish. It doesn't need to be, doesn't need to stay down here anymore. Again, it was just easier for me to do my mom's nails when I was caregiving. Ooh, when I was caregiving for her. If you're a caregiver, you can go check out my videos on that to help. Let's see, acetone. I do need those. Let me go through here. Oh, that looks so much better, doesn't it, folks? Okay, so I have all of my manicure stuff. I like to do my gel, except for the nail polish. I have a nail polish rack in my bedroom. So this is going to stay like that. I am going to place this back in here because I do use that when I like to do my gel. So there goes that one. That's drawer 29. All of this is going to be relocated. That can all go upstairs. And then those I'm just going to go ahead and toss out. Okay, last drawer, 30. This is the oh bleep, something happened kind of drawer. First aid kit is down there, and Jay just went through all of this. I should have filmed it, I know, but there's really honestly nothing else that needs to be touched down there. But we do have a first aid kit right here ready to go. And unfortunately, I think Sunday Dawn, you had something similar like this. Knee wraps, back, I mean, everything's in there. So that's it. I'm Dee, and peace out.